Hello, good day. How are you today? You good, right? Okay, so are we ready for today's lesson? Okay, so today in agricultural science, we are going to be learning about modern agricultural technology. Okay, so today in agricultural science, we are going to be learning about modern agricultural technology. Okay, first, let's know about agriculture. Agriculture is vital for food production to feed the growing global population. Remember, agriculture is the cultivation of crops and rearing of animals. So agriculture is vital for food production to feed the growing global population. Okay? Modern agricultural technology is the use of advanced methods and tools to improve farming practice. Okay? Evolving of agricultural technology. Agricultural technology has come a long way from traditional farming. In the past, farming relied heavily on manual labor and simple tools like hoes and plows. Farmers had to depend on the weather, soil conditions, and natural processes, making agriculture uncertain. One significant advancement was the invention of the plow, which allowed farmers to cultivate soil more efficiently. Plows were initially pulled by animals like oxen, making farming less labor intensive. In the mid-20th century, the Green Revolution brought revolutionary changes to agriculture. New crop varieties, fertilizers, and pesticides significantly increased crop yields. With the advent of industrial revolution, agricultural machinery like tractors, combine harvesters, and irrigation systems became widespread. This made farming faster and more productive. In recent decades, genetic engineering and biotechnology have played a crucial role in agriculture. Scientists have developed genetically modified crops that are resistant to pests, diseases, and adverse weather conditions. Modern agriculture relies on data and technology, such as the GPS and drones, for precise farming practice. Farmers need precisely control Farmers can precisely control the use of water, fertilizers, pesticides, reducing waste and environmental impact. So agricultural technology has come a long way from traditional farming. This evolution of agricultural technology has helped us appreciate how far we have come and the importance of continued innovation to meet the food demands of the future. So we are going to be looking at the benefits of agricultural technology. Benefits of agricultural technology: increase crop yields. Agricultural technology such as improved seeds and farming machinery helps farmers produce more food. This means we can feed more people and reduce the risk of food shortage, right? Improved farming efficiency. Modern machinery and equipment like tractors and irrigation systems, making farming faster and less labor intensive. This frees up time and labor for other important tasks. Improved farming efficiency. Better food quality. Technology allows for the production of healthier and high-quality food. Economic growth. Agricultural technology contributes to economic growth by increasing farming productivity. When farms do well, they create jobs and stimulate the economy in rural areas. Environmental benefits. Precision farming techniques reduce the need for excessive use of resources like water and fertilizers. This minimizes the negative impacts on the environment, such as water pollution and soil degradation. Sustainability. Sustainable farming practice made possible by technology had helped protect the environment for future generations. Techniques like crop rotation and organic farming reduce the need for harmful chemicals. Diversification of crops. Technology enables the cultivation of wider variety of crops in different climates and regions. This enhances food security and provides more choice for consumers. Global food security. Agricultural technology plays a crucial role in ensuring stable food supply worldwide. By increasing production and making farm more resilient, it helps prevent food shortages and famines. Reduce food waste. Advanced technology can improve storage, transportation, and distribution of food. So this minimizes food waste, ensuring that more of the food produced reaches consumers. Innovation and adaptation. Technology allows farmers to adapt to changing conditions such as climate change. By using predictive data, it encourages continuous innovation to address emerging challenges in agriculture. So these are the benefits of agricultural technologies. These benefits shows how agricultural technologies not only helps us produce more food, but also do so more efficiently and with improved quality, which is crucial for our well-being and the health of our planet. So these are the benefits of agricultural technology. Now we are going to be looking at the challenges of agricultural technology. Okay? We have cost and access. One significant challenge is the cost of adopting modern agricultural technology. Many small-scale farmers, especially in developing countries, may find it difficult to afford advanced machinery and equipment. So cost and access. Education and training. Farmers need training to effectively use new technologies. Lack of access to education and training programs can hinder the adoption of modern agricultural practice. Environmental impact. While technology can enhance crop yields, it can also have negative environmental consequences. The overuse of chemical fertilizers and pesticides can harm the ecosystems and reduce soil fertility over time. Digital divide. In the age of digital farming, not all farmers have access to internet or mobile devices. This digital divide can limit access to information, market prices, and weather forecasts. Rural infrastructures. Rural areas often lack necessary infrastructures such as good roads and electricity to support advanced agricultural technology. This can make it challenging to transport goods and use technology effectively. Dependency on technology. Over-reliance on technology can be risky as it may fail due to power outages and technical issues. Farmers need to balance technology with traditional farming skills. Loss of traditional knowledge. As modern technology advances, traditional farming practice and knowledge can be forgotten. So preserving the wisdom of past generations is essential for sustainable farming. Market access. Even with increased productivity, farmers may struggle to access markets to sell their produce. So effective supply chains and market access are crucial for successful farming enterprise. Climate change. Climate change poses a significant challenge to agriculture, and technology must continually adapt to shifting weather patterns and conditions. So these are the challenges of agricultural technology. These challenges is essential for us to find solution and ensure that agricultural technology benefits both farmers and the environment. It is very important to address these issues to make sure that technological advancements in farming are sustainable and inclusive. So today we have learned about agricultural technologies, right? We know how it have evolved over time, the benefits of agricultural technologies, and the challenges what they face, right? So we understood today's lesson on modern agricultural technology. We did, right? Good. So we are going to be looking at our assignments. Explain 5 benefits of agricultural technology. 2. Explain 7 challenges of agricultural technology. I'm sure we are going to be able to do that because we learned about them today. We did, right? Good.